you are sending, but what you are sending the Lord.
MAKIRIA ma Arutani 60 ni magunikite na kuona mieke ya mawira mathukuru-ini matiganite bũrũri-inĩ wa Amerika.
Not let my foot.
Akiaria hĩndĩ ya igongona rĩa kumagaria arutani aya, MINISTA MUNENE MUSALIA MUDAVADI ni amerithiirie oro ũndũ ũmwe na Akenya angĩ arĩa makoretwo makiruta mawira mabũrũri-inĩ ma nanja atĩ thirikari nĩ ĩgũthiĩ na mbere na kũmarũmbũiya ona marĩ mabũrũri-inĩ macio.
Kenyans are very good in terms of their skills and how they've been able to not just showcase themselves, to actually prove themselves. You are good workers, you communicate very well, and this is why comparatively, if you take the Kenyan in the diaspora and some of our other colleagues from the continent in the diaspora, there's an inclination to have the Kenyan.
Please, very quickly, my team hasn't already shared this with you, to share with you the contacts of our embassy in Washington, D.C., which is very close to you in Maryland. We'll share the contacts of our office in New York and in LA, so that if you are ever in need of the services of the government of Kenya, that is where you find us. So please know that as you go and as you fly the flag, as you have said, we are right behind you and we're here to support you.
Mudavadi ni amoritie guteithia bũrũri wa Kenya na oho makoro makihokeka mawira-ini maria mararuta, akiuga namba nene ya Akenya aria makoretwo mabũrũri-ini ma ũgeni ni mekũranite kumana na kĩo kĩao.
You are now under a different jurisdiction, and therefore you must respect the laws and regulations of that land so that you don't land on the wrong side of the law. Because we've had some incidents where Kenyans move and they assume that it's like what you normally do here, that you acha tuonane nyuma ya tent or something. Be very careful.
Mudavadi niongereire kuga ati thirikari no iguthie na mbere na gucariria Akenya na makiria mbeũ njithi mieke ya mawira mabũrũri-ini matiganite ta uria ikoretwo ikimerithiria.
To the point of the Americans coming here to get the best. We had already gotten our best. So we had 150 teachers. We had 150 teachers, but only 70 were successful.
Gerifotera Kameme TV ni ejeta gwa wagoi wa Muiruri.